that aptitude was the perfect match for him. So he cited us, all of your, credentials and the fact that the teachers out here are great. I'm basically a Delhiite, studied at Mothers International School in New Delhi, and I went to do on my bachelor's in business studies from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. I worked for many years in a corporate, and past 8 to 10 years I wanted to do some more meaningful work, and I got to work in the education sector. So I've been an educationist now for 7-8 years, and it's been a great experience to touch the lives of so many children, and that gave a lot of insight to me about my own children as well. So we've always left the decision on Sahaj, because I think it's the child himself who knows, what he's really good at and what he wants in life. Earlier, he wanted to be a doctor. That was till grade 10. But through his senior program years, he got extremely interested in debating and MUNs, and we could see that he was winning accolades for his performances in various schools and colleges. And a few years later, around mid of 10th, when they had to select the subjects and all, he came up and said, I want to do law. So, we felt that, since he's showing a great verbal ability and he had the ability to research and delve deep into a subject, we felt it would be a natural thing for him to, take up law. So we were kind of with him on this. And all we could do was to motivate him and continue on this path. I think what really worked for Sahaj was his desire to be a lawyer. It was so intrinsic, and that fire in his belly was so strong that nothing could really demotivate him. And as parents, being an educator myself, I took upon that cue, and I was constantly motivating him. Even, when at times we saw that he wasn't taking the mock tests and things like that. But he was continuously reading, working on his weaknesses, and coming back to aptitude. And he was just into it so much that as a mother, I was convinced that this is the right career choice for him, and he would definitely get through. So I think somewhere it was his willingness, his desire, and his consistency of working towards his goal that really helped him. As again I said that we had to totally rely on Sahaj because neither my husband nor me had any idea or any clue about this. And as he was pretty good with his research work, he convinced us, which again is again a trait of a good lawyer, to convince people that aptitude was the perfect match for him. So he cited us, all of your, credentials and the fact that the teachers out here are great. And through the last 2 years, I think each month has been, helped build a confidence in us as well, because with the regular feedbacks that we got from aptitude, the regular doubt sessions, and even the interest that the mentors were able to create and consistently help the child being motivated towards his goal was what really paid off. Absolutely. I think it's very important to let the children take up the decision, because they know best what are the strengths and weaknesses. I think that law as a career is something that helps you to be a change maker in society. So let's think out of the box. Engineers and doctors are definitely there, but lawyers are, who can help a wide strata of society. And I think we need many, many more people in this country especially to make a change.